All right, we're in full accessible cabin A407 on Carnival Sunrise, the newly renovated Sunrise that was the Triumph. This is actually its third sailing out of Norfolk, Virginia. Once you walk in, you'll see 3 closets straight ahead. They're really deep. This side over here has extra pillows, your safety vest, your life vest. It has your safe, more pillows, and of course on this side, same thing. And now I'm going to close the door, and immediately to your left is the bathroom, and is a roll-in bathroom. Roll-in shower. It has the built-in shower bench. It has the string of which you can hang your swimsuits to dry or anything you may want to get the last minute wrinkles out of. You have your shower head that are handheld. You have what I believe to be a cane holder for the bathroom, which is pretty neat. And you have your shampoo and your shower gel. You have your emergency cord in case you have a mishap in the bathroom. A lot of grab bars, low profile toilet, low profile hanging toilet paper. You have a vanity in which you can roll under if you are in a wheelchair. My mother is not in a wheelchair, she's in a scooter, but it is great to have that option because this is a full accessible room. And your vanity is lit all around. You have your mirror that swivels out, so if you want to get those eyebrows right, that lipstick right for formal night, you can do that. All right, as I come out the bathroom, that is the entry door. This is the climate control, and this is the control for the lights. Now you need something in here to keep the lights on in the room. I folded up one of those spa raffles that they just gave me, and it worked. So you don't need to put your sign and sale card in it. You can trick it out with a thick piece of paper. You see that there is one twin bed right here, and I do not think that this room converts into anything other than 2 singles. You have your desk right here. Sorry that it's junky. Right here you have your desk. I'm sorry that it's junky, but hey, do what you gotta do. Have your mirror right here, a little bit of shelving. You have the water bottles that you stay away from, but we did order water, so it should have been in here, to be honest with you. We have a TV, and this is a good size TV. And you have, if you had ordered, bar service, anything like that, I'm quite sure that some things could fit right up in there. And then you have your second bed, which is a twin. And you have those outlets that we all love. And then you have your emergency buttons just in case you have a mishap. And you have your lights for your bed right there. And this is my mom's scooter, her BMW in the middle of the floor. And as you can see with all of that, there is a lot of space in this cabin.